everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Motorola phone. So this is very easy. If you just look at these little buttons on the side, you can see the volume rocker right here, and then the power button. Just hold down the power button and the volume down button for about 10 to 15 seconds. So let's do that now. Volume down and power. It's going to take a screenshot so you can see I'm holding these two buttons down. Continue to hold them down. And the phone is going to go ahead and just simply turn off. Continue to hold them down, and the phone's going to vibrate, and it's going to bring you to this screen. Now what you want to do is use the volume rocker, and go on over to where it says recovery mode, and then hit the power button. Okay, now you're going to probably see this option where it says like no command. You can just hold down the power button, I think, and then tap the volume up. So let's do that power button, holding this down, tap volume up, and now we can see the different options now. And we can scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says wipe data and factory reset. Press the power button, and then we can go on down to factory data reset right here and just wipe that from your phone. So this is going to delete everything off your phone, and if you did have a password or something like that, it should go ahead and just get rid of that for you, and then you can log in without a pin or a swipe or a pattern. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.